Welcome to the world of option trading, where you can unlock financial opportunities. First, let's break down the basics. Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price before a specific date. This flexibility can help you hedge risks or speculate on price movements. Now, here are a few key terms to know. Call options give you the right to buy, while put options give you the right to sell. Understanding these concepts is crucial as they form the backbone of your trading strategy. One of the best approaches to mastering options is to start small. Practice with paper trading to test your strategies without risking real money. This will build your confidence and help you understand how market dynamics impact options pricing. Another important aspect is to stay informed. Monitor market trends, news, and earnings reports, as these can significantly influence the value of your options. Knowledge is power in the trading world. Lastly, never forget to manage your risk. Set clear limits on your trades and stick to them. This will protect your capital and help you make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on mastering option trading.